Israel defense firm Elbit Systems has unveiled its new front-engine Hermes 650 Spark tactical unmanned aerial vehicle at Singapore Air Show. With automatic takeoff and landing capability, it can carry payloads up to 120 kilograms. It also has ability to execute long missions with extended endurance lasting up to 24 hours. Indian aircraft maker Hindustan Aerospace Limited has offered Philippines to assemble the light combat aircraft Mk-1 naval variant locally fitted with the BrahMos next-generation missile. Also, India is offering soft loans to modernize its armed forces. Turkey next-generation fighter jet Kaan has successfully completed its maiden flight. The first flight took 13 minutes, reaching 8,000 feet with speed of 426 kilometers per hour, making Turkey one of the few countries that can manufacture fifth-generation fighter jets. China has displayed a scale model of its GJ-11 Sharp Sword unmanned combat aerial vehicle at the ongoing Singapore Air Show. Hyped as the J-20's loyal wingman drone, it is designed to conduct deep penetrating strikes with high stealth and subsonic cruise capability.